You will love the features of this 2024 Ford Mustang. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. There has never been a better time to get behind the wheel of the legendary Mustang. This sleek, mid-size, high-performance coupe delivers a personalized driving experience like no other. Driver-centered, beautifully styled, connected, crisp, fast, stable, and balanced. It's a pure expression of automotive adrenaline. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, premium sound system. Legendary meets modern in this smart, powerful Mustang. Take it out for a road test and sample a truly personalized driving experience. Our professional team will make it the best part of your day.